Hey everyone, in this video we are at Habitat Eden Heights residential project located on Hoodi Main Road, Bangalore. And in this video we are taking you into a 3 BHK actual flat. So this is the lobby and here's the entrance. In front you can see the living and dining area. And right here is an attached balcony. So it's a spacious balcony. Now here we have the first bedroom. And this bedroom is designed with an attached washroom. Next we have the second bedroom. Which has an attached balcony. And just next to this we have the common washroom. And this is the entrance of the master bedroom, which is designed with an attached washroom, as you see here. And here you can take the view of master bedroom. So this is the third bedroom of this 3 BHK flat. And here we have the kitchen, which is designed with efficient space. And here we have the utility space attached to the kitchen. So friends, that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel. And for site visit and queries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel riggrop.com, and here in this video we are at Ozone WF48 project, which is located in Mahadevpura, Whitefield, Bangalore. This project is sprawled over 5.60 acres of land and it carries 8 number of towers with 20 number of floors each. This project total comprises of 549 number of residential units and it has 40% open space. It offers 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK residential flats. So we are standing outside the project and here you can see the main connecting road, and to my right side this way leads towards ITPL and Whitefield. This project is just opposite to Phoenix Mall, as here you can take the view of mall. This left way leads towards Hoodi Junction and central parts of Bengaluru. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 3 BHK model flat. So friends, this we have entered into the flat. And here you can see the dining hall. It's a beautiful flat. And now we are moving towards the kitchen. So here you can take a view of spacious modular kitchen, beautifully crafted. Here is the separate utility area. Now this is the living hall. Beautifully designed. The living hall has also an attached balcony. This is the common washroom. And now we have entered into the master bedroom. It's a spacious bedroom, skillfully designed with laminated wooden flooring. The lavish interior work has been done in this flat. Here is an attached balcony with this master bedroom. It's a running balcony. And now we are moving towards the second bedroom. So friends, this we have entered into the second bedroom of this flat. The room is beautifully decorated with tiles flooring. Yeah, it's a spacious bedroom with an attached washroom, which is quite spacious as well and very well crafted with fantastic interior work. With ultra modern sanitary fittings. And here is the third bedroom of this flat. Again, you can see the room is spacious and very well crafted with lavish interior decoration. And here is an attached washroom with this bedroom. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can also call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.
This is Sriram Blue main entrance video. This is the main entrance, and this road leads to Whitefield Katgodi. And to my right hand side, this road leads to Kyarpuram, Old Madras Road, Hoskote, and National Highway Road.
So the model we have is of 3-bed duplex. So this is the entrance. This is a decent foyer space. So quality wise, if I brief you about the model, so in all the flats you will be having a digital door lock with touch panel. So this digital door lock will be there with key as well as keyless entry, and you will be having a teak wood door. Then talking about the tiling quality, we are using Kajaria, which is standard. Now this is the dining space, the stairs, and this is the living space. So huge living space, because this is a 3-bed duplex, So actually duplex is a combination of two BHKs on the top of each other. So 2 BHK, the only difference is apart from stairs, we'll be having a room that side basically. One room will come. So beautiful layout, lot of space. You can see this is our kitchen. Modular kitchen open. So this kitchen is huge. And backside is the utility. This is a big utility space we are giving for your washing machine and everything, dishwasher. So, like in short, like the kitchen and utility space itself, like around more than 140 square feet. Now, if we talk about the rooms, you have one room here. Size is around 10.9 into 12.9, 11 by 13. And this is the window. This is the room basically. So this is your washroom. So very high quality specs we are using here. We are using Kohler Italian Collection wall mounted and Jaguar J series in tap fittings. So this will be standard, everything which you are seeing right now. The tiles and everything. So I'll show you what I personally like about this flat. So this is the beautiful deck space we are having here. So our deck space is more than, you can see it's like a good setup space with wooden tiling. So this wooden tiling with stainless steel railing, not an ordinary iron one, and toughened glass. So this toughened glass will be there. So quality wise you can see we are not at all compromising with anything. And these UPVCs also are not normal Finestas. These are replicas of German Shukos. So very smooth. These are soundproof, dustproof, and you get a smooth finish. Now I'll show you the first floor plan. So we are going on the first floor of the duplex. So here also you can see, like in the quality, we are using wooden finish iron steel railings with Italian granite. So this is your living space on the first floor, and that is your chandelier. So beautiful living space on the first floor. And on my left I have your master bedroom. So in the master bedroom we are giving Pergo wooden flooring. We are not using any laminated flooring. We are giving 6 mm thick Pergo wooden flooring. Now big master bedroom with attached washroom and same Kohler Italian Collection and Jaguar J series. So that is standard. This is your wardrobe space, dedicated. This is your room. So you have basically 2 rooms on the first floor of duplex and 1 room on the ground floor. So this is your kids room, the second room of duplex. So kids room, very good size, decent size rooms with attached washroom. So these fittings will be standard, which you are seeing right now. So very high end specs we are using because we are not compromising with the quality, as this is our ultra luxurious project. It's not an ordinary project and a mass housing project. It's a very niche product with ultra luxurious specifications. Now this is what I called as convenience. So we are giving second entry and exit on the first floor. So this entry, so let's suppose your parents are also staying. So you can stay on the first floor with your kids, 2 rooms are there, and your parents can stay on the ground floor. And the elevator access is present at both the levels.
Hey everyone, in this video we are visiting at Raja Reds Avenue residential project located at Hudi, Whitefield, Bangalore. So friends, this left way leads towards Kadugodi, KR Puram and Old Madras Road. And here to my right hand side, this way leads towards Whitefield and ITPL. So this is the main entrance of Raja Reds Avenue. And this project is spread across 7.5 acres of land and total carries 9 number of towers with 4 number of floors each, and there are total 430 number of residential units. It offers 1, 2 and 3 BHK flats. And now we are taking you into a 2 BHK model flat. So here we will give you the interior view. So this is the main entrance. And here you can see the living hall. And beside the living hall we have the dining area, and here is a balcony, and in front you can see the modular kitchen, skillfully designed with L-shaped platform, very well furnished, and the kitchen also has a separate utility space attached to it. And now we have entered into the first bedroom of this 2 BHK flat. Very well designed. And here is the common washroom. And next we have the master bedroom. So this is the second bedroom of this flat. This bedroom has an attached washroom as well as an attached balcony. So this we have showed you a 2 BHK flat, and now we are taking you into a 3 BHK model flat. So here's the entrance, and in front you can see the living area. Here's the dining area. And this is the modular kitchen, very well furnished. And here comes the first bedroom, which is the master bedroom. Quite spacious. The bedroom also has an attached balcony. And here is an attached washroom. And now we have entered into the second bedroom, which is the kids' room. Just next to this, here is the third bedroom, which has an attached washroom as well as an attached balcony. And here is the common washroom. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.